So, see that one connector right there? I'm about to take this off. Everything is already installed. And I'm kind of jumping, but what I should do for 1 second is stop and see if I could disconnect the headlight. So the headlight connection is way back here, so I'll probably just have to pull out the headlights still, and then once I finish pulling out the headlights, then I could start removing the wires. Wow, this is not even connected to anything. It's kind of weird. Yeah, the bottom side, look, the bottom side of the headlight's not connected to anything. The bracket though, I could take the bracket off. Let's hold on. All right. So, see that one connector right there? So all you gotta do, okay. I think all you gotta do is pull up, but there's so much mud. All right, hold on, let me get a screwdriver. I should be able to just push it up. So I'm pushing up and down just to see, get all this mud off. All right, now I gotta. All right, so there's a little clip inside. I'm gonna just pry up on it and then push it off. So that's another way how to do it. You just go in between and pry it off this little piece right here. All right, I'm gonna put so this is the bad one. As you can see, the damage right here. So we're gonna put the other new one in and go from there. What I want to see though, connector is good. Yeah, she just probably might need to get like a engine washer. So it's a whole bunch of sand, but I mean that's kind of to be expected in Arizona. All right, I'm gonna put the new one in. All right, so for this piece right here, the other light, that wasn't connected to this bracket right here. So I'm gonna see if I can find because this was empty. So I'm gonna see if I can find a, what is it, a 7 out of, you know, we had a whole bunch of screws from when we basically remove all the parts from the Ford Escape. So let's see if I have any 10s, no 7s. Let's say this looks like a 7. All right, cool. So I'm right. See if this could fit. All right, so that could fit. So I'm gonna use this 7, and then I'll probably look for a couple more, because I know she needs 2 more for the brackets right here. So I'm gonna see if I can find 2 more for her. If I can't, I just can't, but I'll try. So that's 1. Find another one, that's 2. Found a 3rd one. So what I'll probably do is use these two for right here, and then this one that has a bigger washer, I'll just put it right here for the bracket. Yeah, so that's why it's, when you break some cars down, it's good to keep the parts. So now I just gotta take, yeah, so this is the bracket that I'm talking about. So now I just gotta take this bracket off. All right, take this bracket off. So as you can see, came from right here, and it goes like this. So that's off. So the reason why I make sure to still keep the plastic on, because I really don't want to scratch the brand new headlights. I don't have to tighten it down all the way. So I'm gonna put back this one on, clip it in, and lock it in place. So that one's locked in place. Alright, so the bracket right here. Oh, okay. So this bracket right here, what it is for, and what they didn't do, the bracket has a slot for the headlight as well. And because it's not broken, That's what it looks like. Yep. So a piece of this bracket, so the bracket holds on to